Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet the sun keychain. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Here the slip knot goes. Okay. After slip knot, I'll make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Here I make my slip stitch. See here the slip stitch goes. Okay, now as we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. Okay, it is small but it's big enough for our needle to pass through it very easily. Now each time we will pass our needle from inside that circle and make a double crochet stitch. Okay, for every double crochet stitch we will first yarn over, insert our needle from that circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and then again yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So this is how we will make 16 double crochet stitches, and for each single stitch we will pass a needle from inside that circle and complete a stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video of double crochet stitches, link is already given in description. You can refer tutorial video. It is with written notes, slow demonstration, quite it is easy to understand. So let's get back to the video. See, I've done some stitches. I'll just complete 16 stitches and I'll show you. So this is how it looks after finishing the 16 stitches. Now to close that round, we will join first stitch and last stitch with the slip stitch. See, this is our basic foundation round is complete. Okay. Now when we turn it upside down, that free end of the yarn, we have to pull it hard so that middle space is packed completely and we get a complete flat circle. Okay, and we need exactly two same circles with same color. It will be, one will be the front of sun and another will be back of sun. And in starting only put your eye, smile. It's optional if you want to place it, or else you can leave it like that only. Now we will join both circles. The simple procedure to join both circles is insert your needle from first stitches of both circles. See, this is how first stitches of both circle. Okay. Now grab the yarn and pull through from both stitches at once. See, grab the yarn and pull through from both stitches at once and make a single crochet stitch. That's it. You have joined now two stitches into one stitch. See, now second stitch, both second stitches of both circle, insert your needle, grab the yarn, pull through from both stitches, and then yarn over, pull through, make a single crochet stitch. Similarly, we are going to join all the stitches and our two circles are joined completely. I'll just join both the circles and I'll just show you. We will go ahead with the design. This we are basically working on our sun's face, middle part of the sun. I'll just complete this. I'll join completely and I'll show you. So this is how it looks after joining. Okay, now we will make sun ray. All rays are in same pattern. Now first we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, so like complete round is complete. Now we will make a sun ray. For that we will make first 6 chain crochet stitches. Then in first stitch we will make a slip stitch. Here we make a slip stitch. Now in second stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. Okay, now see, we will make 6 single crochet stitches, but these we will make around rest of the chain. See, I'm from downside of the chain I'm making my needle to grab the yarn. See, we have to make around that chain 6 single crochet stitches, and after every stitch pull your yarn, make it as tight as you can so it stands straight, it don't fall down, because we want our rays to stand straight. And when we come last in the next stitch, join it with the slip stitch. See, our ray, it is like standing straight, it is tight now. Okay, similarly same pattern we have to follow to make all rays. Make 6 chain crochet stitches, then in first stitch make a slip stitch, then a single crochet stitch in next stitch, and in rest of the chain, around rest of the chain we have to make 6 single crochet stitches around that chain, 6 single crochet stitches. And when we are done with the last stitch, we will join it with the slip stitch in the next stitch. See, and please after every stitch pull that yarn, make it as tight as you can. And now last stitch, so like I'll join it with the next stitch with the slip stitch. So see, all rays are like they are not falling down, they are straight. Okay, so those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will request, thank you so much, thank you, thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please help me grow on YouTube. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share. I'm coming up with lots of videos, so please subscribe. Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.